This is the new Insta360 X4 Peter McKinnon edition. Let's see what's inside this beautiful box. Nice. So inside this kit is, of course, the X4 camera, which I did a video on not so long ago about 10 cool ways to film with this camera. And we're going to be revisiting some of that footage shortly. And that comes with its own lens hood to keep both the lenses protected. We have a spare long life battery, and that's in addition to the one that's already in the camera. That's going to give you around 4.5 hours of record time. That'll keep you going all day long. Then we have an Insta360 micro SD card, 250 gigabytes, plenty of storage there. This is your standard lens guard protector. This is for high endurance filming, mountain biking, etc. Keeps those lenses nice and protected. This is your thermo grip cover, also gives you added protection on those endurance shots, and it keeps the camera from overheating. Also in the kit is a handy lens cloth, USB-C cable to charge your camera. This is your protective pouch for the X4 for when you're in transit. And last but not least is this brilliant new Peter McKinnon selfie stick. All the bells and whistles, and it comes with a detachable magnetic remote control. Let's see this thing in action. Now, if you saw my previous video on 10 cool ways to shoot with the X4, you've no doubt come to the conclusion, as I did, that this is probably the greatest action camera ever created. And this is because of two things. The fact that it shoots 4K with both the front-facing lens and the rear, making a total of 8K, literally capturing everything around you. But when you combine this with the software that Insta360 made available for the app and the desktop studio version, you have endless possibilities with what's called reframing. Taking a piece of 360-degree footage and manipulating the camera angles in post-production gives us that completely unique cinematography that simply cannot be replicated on any other action camera. Now, one of the new features that Insta360 made available on the X4 was lens guards, included in the Peter McKinnon edition, something that he himself championed on his own video last year.
Extend Insta360 the thanks of the planet for lens guards.
They twist onto the camera lenses themselves and lock firmly into place. Now you never need to worry about dinking up your precious X4 lenses with extreme action shots. You will need to tell the camera they have been installed before filming in the menu of the camera settings, then you're good to go. So this is your new Peter McKinnon selfie stick. And there's his cool signature at the bottom. And I love this thing, it's so useful. It extends up to the perfect height for those vlogging style shots like this. There is a button on the side which rotates the camera for those hard to reach camera angles, or when you're just packing it away in your camera bag, really handy. There are tripod legs that flip out from underneath for those static shots. And of course, the main attraction, this Bluetooth remote control, which is detachable, so you can control the camera from a distance. From a distance, the world. Let's see how far away you can be for this thing to work. You can even use this thing for stills photos. Now, I have long been a champion of the Insta360 brand, making honest product reviews of the X3 back in 2022 when I took it to the Isle of Wight, the Ace Pro when I traveled to Chamonix in France and tested it out on the Alpine slopes, and now of course the X4 Peter McKinnon edition, which would make a pretty nice gift for someone at Christmas or birthdays, but not only because it's presented in a beautiful box, but because of what this camera is actually capable of. Now, one of the most useful accessories for the X4 is what's called the back bar, made by PGY Tech and Insta360. It's not part of the Peter McKinnon edition. Don't think it would fit inside the box. However, I thought it was worth mentioning for those of you who like to mountain bike or skate on quads like myself, or just generally produce vlogging style content. It allows you to be completely hands-free, so if you need both of your hands for, say, street photography, you don't have to put the camera on a tripod on the floor. You can just move around like you have your own cameraman. I mean, it's hard to see how Insta360 can improve on such a great action camera. The processing power needed to handle 4K on both the front and rear cameras, then stitch the footage together while simultaneously and magically removing the selfie stick. And all of this is done in camera on the spot. It really is a marvel. And then of course, being able to connect to the Insta360 app, download the footage and use AI to perform deep tracking to reframe your footage so you never miss a shot. So where do they go from here? Perhaps 5.7K on each lens or 120 frames per second in the full 8K resolution. Surely that's not even possible on such a small device. We'll have to wait and see. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with a montage of all of the clips that I've taken with this camera to date, while saying a big thanks to Peter McKinnon for letting me in on this launch and for being such a dude with all things camera. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more photography content, and give us a thumbs up for this video if you would please, and I'll see you in the next video.